Hi there! In our previous video, we showed you how Forest Admin can help you build an admin panel for your Rails app in under 2 minutes. Now that we installed everything and are running our Rails app, we're going to see how we can customize it further and add what we call a smart field. Smart fields are fields that will display a computed value in your admin panel, but at the same time do not exist in your database or your active record models. The main reason you'd want to add a smart field is to display data that is computed on the go. This can be as simple as linking attributes to make them more readable, so for example first name and last name to display full name, or something more complex like a total number of orders per customer. There are no limits to what you can do with smart fields. Let's get started and create a smart field that we'll use to display a customer's full name on our admin panel. And that's it. When we refresh our page, the full name smart field should be right here. Let's rearrange some of the things that we have here. We can also use this computed field as a reference when a record from the customer's collection is linked to another collection through a belongs to relationship. For example, in the orders collection, instead of seeing the ID of the customer to which an order belongs, we'll be able to see their full name and navigate to their details through the same link. In addition to all of what we just went over, you can also update or build search queries, filter smart field values, and much more. If you want to know the full scope of what you can do with smart fields, head on over to our documentation at docs.forestadmin.com, and don't forget to follow us on socials as well. See you again next time.